So Sadhuri I'm looking now. See? I told mom I need a city of my own. Hello and welcome to day whatever of this trip, and day 3 of me in the same outfit. But we just got down just randomly in the morning. We are in Hanoi and we are the hotel we are staying at. We took that for 3 nights and now we need to switch our hotel. So mom and I are just on a early morning hotel hunt. We're just seeing, we're exploring. We might just extend the same place, but we're seeing because every place has the same facilities and no food included, which anyways we are eating out because they have non-veg. So we're figuring out the prices, because if we just need the room to just keep, why should we spend 3,000 a night? So point number 1, the buildings might look shitty from out, but they are like the hotels are livable. Where do we have to go? Where do we have to go? Livable. Second thing, they will not care if you're waiting. You need to be patient. They'll be busy in their own work, and once they're done with that, they'll give you attention. Third thing, I forgot. Yeah, so you bargain. Even for hotels, you bargain. Once you reach a point, after that they won't bargain. They'll shoo you off. They don't care. Fourth thing, when they're showing you the rooms, God knows who is living in their rooms. If they're actually guests or it's just their people. And to show the rooms, they'll just open the door and walk into those rooms, which is so unprofessional and so new. One more thing, so since we're exploring since last evening, every time we go, either there is nobody sitting inside, God knows how they leave everything and just go out roaming or whatever. And second thing, every time you go, there is a different person. So let's say, for example, first person say you spoke and you said that I want it for 500k per night, and he agreed. When you actually take your bags, or you take cash and you go back to pay them, or you actually go to them to check in, the person, whoever is there at that time, will not give you that. So that's another major consistency issue over here. So I don't know, we figure some way of taking proofs from them or in written or something. Something has to be done about that. So these are very, 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 very probably small things, but very big things. Tips. Finally out of that dress of mine, but we've switched our hotel and we've just got down. Luckily we found an Indian. There are Indian restaurants in lanes, but they have non-veg also, so we were preferring to have an only veg restaurant, which is why we were going to Gujarat again and again. But we found one, and because we're very hungry, and so I was saying there are many, but there are small boards. You have to really find them. So yeah, we're here for lunch. I just got some money exchanged, and after this we're going to go to the market that was shut yesterday. If you've seen that, it was shut yesterday, and I keep forgetting. Let's have lunch. Come to Dong Xuan market. There are a lot of kids clothes. So there are 3 floors. We've come to the topmost floor, and there are a lot of kids clothes right now here on the 3rd floor. Full of kids, and there are women's also. We're going to check this. We don't want to buy. We are overpacked with including gifts and including our stuff which we bought in 50,000 BND. We had food at another Indian restaurant, like I told you. There khopche mein you have to look for it. So we had food there. We had 2 parathas and paneer bhaji. And then we were walking towards this market and we found one more Indian restaurant in the Kopcha. We most probably will have dinner there. So yeah, for now let's explore this market. This market seems to be just for wholesale. I mean, sure, they'll give you retail, but they have stuff also packed in bundles. So if you're someone who would like to resell, who would like to deal in this, and like you can have space to stock up for like 40-50 pieces, and I think you'll get a great deal here. Each piece you're getting for approximately 150 rupees, which is nice. You can do that and then sell it in double the rate and cover up.
To some snap jayega.
It's okay. Variety of zips, buttons, chains, shoelaces, belts. I told mom I need a city of my own because I'm going to buy everything and have a city of my own. And if I won't do anything, I want everything. I just want it. Bus. Get the sunlight, finally some sunlight. My lipstick is gone and now we are going to the train street and we have to shoot over there. So let's see. Full everywhere we roam. And this one thing on our way back, I just told ki chal we'll see Miniso mein kya hai, what are the rates. We're purely just researching for rates. And we ended up shopping a bag full of stuff from there. 4 lakh. So we bought some slippers, what else did we buy? Very chindi hairbrush and stuff. 50-60 rupees, Indian rupees. We finally reached the train street. And it was so overhyped. It was so overhyped that we have reached here. And it looks like the area where we went in Ho Chi Minh. We went to cafe apartments. It's full of cafes. Let's go and see the Patri now.
Hello, cameras cut off. Savannah, marathon.
For me. We are on the Patri, guys. We're walking on the train ki Patri. Now we are here to go and click photos. Let's see. Everyone else wants you. Don't know you're beautiful if only you saw. So Sadhuri I'm looking now, see? I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. My OOTD before OOTN, sorry, before versus after. What is this? Chain, full makeup, white shirt, and this and this. But we are headed for an unexpected dinner. Who would say? And unexpected rains. Let's see how. We're going to Gujarat again. We're going back to Gujarat because Gujarat ki
Because I want Gujarat.
Yeah, because she wants. Otherwise, we wouldn't have had dinner also. Hi you guys, it is 8th June, is it? Or is it 9th? It's 8th June, I think. But we were all just very hangry in the morning. And no brownie points for guessing where we went to eat. We went to Gujarat Indian again. The thing is, they are a pure veg restaurant. And everyone else has... There are a lot of Indian restaurants like I mentioned before also. But they are veg and non-veg. So we're not sure about the kitchen or about the oils or about the utensils, what is being used where, how. So we just want to play safe and we walk down on around like 7-10 minutes from our hotel to Gujarat. We had lunch and now we're headed to the train street. It is 3 o'clock and we've just had the first meal. Let's go to the. We went yesterday, but the train didn't come. But yeah, that's where we are headed. Yesterday we went and the train didn't come. So right now also there was a time of 3 p.m. 3:15, which we may or may not make it. We'll spend the rest of the day there only. We'll have coffee, we'll have some drink, we'll have whatever. I'll take you through the last. What? Today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Last 3 days. Tuesday in the day we leave. So, yep. We just climbed up the same place we were sitting at yesterday, and there was this one coffee shop. lady- There was this one coffee shop lady who just kept she said come to us and we said we don't want. She said you can't climb up, and then we still went. Even the whoever security is sitting there, they all said go away. Basically, if you don't, if because we didn't go to that particular cafe, we said we want to go the other way. Just because we didn't go to that cafe, they shooed us off. They're like, no, you can't go, which is pointless. Hello. So I didn't speak much yesterday, but what we basically did was we ate food, and then we went. Where did we go? We roamed around, then we went to the train. No, we ate food and went to the train street, and Google Maps took us to a long cut. And the train, when we reached the train street, it passed right in front of us. And we were basically at the end of the station. So yeah, we missed that, but then we sat there and it was a weekend, so apparently there are more trains on the weekend, so we did catch one more train. We did see it, but it's, if you bring them to Mumbai, to the Mumbai locals, it's pretty much that. We didn't see anything jitna it was overhyped. It was okay. I mean, like, oh my god, train street, it's beautiful. There are lanterns, there are cafes, it's surprising, it's nice, you know, in middle of two sides of cafes there's a train going. All of that is great, but that happened, and then because it was still quite early, we went to another market. On our way back home there was this one market which we thought was the parking of a mall, but when we saw it was a market, so we walked down and we bought two more pants
the shopping is not going to stop. But we did that, and then we were again on our way back. We took a chocolate cocoa milkshake, which was not a milkshake, which was kind of cocoa powder and water. But that happened, and then after that we went to Gujarat again for dinner. At that point we just felt like we should stay at Gujarat. We should take a lifetime membership from them because their food is just good. So that happened yesterday. I'm ending yesterday's vlog and I'm going to start the next one. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't watched the previous episodes, there's an entire Vietnam playlist. You can go watch all the videos there. Comment if you have any questions, if you have any curiosities and I can answer, please comment. I will answer if I can. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.